Is one of Miami Beach's most iconic hotels about to get bulldozed? South Beach is known for its Art Deco charm and the electric nightlife, but the charm is under threat. One controversial proposal could permanently alter Ocean Drive. A new proposal has the mayor furious and preservation is panicking. Stick around to hear what the mayor and the commissioners have to say and why this battle over the Clevelander is so fierce. Developer Jesta Group has proposed replacing the iconic Clevelander Hotel with an 18-story residential tower. They plan to leverage Florida's Live Local Act, a new state law that allows developers to bypass local zoning in exchange for adding affordable housing components. The proposal includes 137 residential units, ground floor restaurant, and 0 hotel rooms. This would mean demolishing the Clevelander, a South Beach landmark known for its neon glow, outdoor bar, and vibrant nightlife. The backlash was immediate. During a heated public meeting in July, Mayor Stephen Minor said, "Ocean Drive is the most iconic street in Miami Beach. Allowing an 18-story tower there would be a tragic mistake." Commissioner Alex Fernandez added, "This proposal would be the beginning of the end of our historic Art Deco District. We can't let state law override the vision our community has protected for decades." Residents echoed these concerns, calling the plan a Trojan horse for luxury development cloaked in the language of affordability. Despite the backlash, the developer insists the project meets the requirements of the Live Local Act and claims it will bring much-needed housing options to the area. This fight isn't over, and the outcome could set the tone for development across Miami Beach. In the next episode, we'll dive into South Beach's luxury boom, where high-rise towers are rising with the city's full support. You don't want to miss it.